mean, median, and mode. So those are the three measures of central tendency. Mean, median, and mode. At the end of this lesson, we'll be able to identify the mean, median, and the mode, or the measure of central tendency given a set of data. Let's start. So 14 sets of data from 61 to 52. So let us write 14 in here so that we have an idea of how sets of data or numbers on the sets of data that we have. To find the mean, median, mode, and range in each set of data, for me, step one is we need to arrange the given data sets in order first, from least to highest or highest to least. It's up to you what you prefer, but I prefer to write them from least to highest. So let's start with the smallest number, which is 45. It was already written. So we'll just cancel it so that we will not get confused if we already write the numbers or not. After 45, we have 48. After 48, we have 49. And then we have 51, 52, followed by 52, 53. Then we have also 55. We have 357, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, and 3. So we write 357. After 357, we have two 60s. 60 and 60. Then we have also 61. And then the last 65. We're going to count 14 numbers on the given sets of data. We write them correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is how I double check the data sets or the data sets. Okay, so I think we already wrote them. Now we need to find the mean. Okay, mean is simply the average. Okay, that means we're going to add, add all, and then after that, we divide them to the number of scores that we add, or simply means we sum it up. Okay, so we were going to add them. Let us use a calculator. Given sets of data. The first number we have 45 plus 48 plus 49, 51, 52, 53, 55, 357, two 60s, 161, and 165. Then the sum of the given is 770. So let us divide it by 14 because we have 14 items. The answer is 55 for the mean. So there you go. So that is the mean, okay? Then we'll need to find median. We're looking for the middle number, okay? So since we have 14 sets of scores or sets of data, so the set to middle, because 14 divided 2, we have 7. So half of 14 is 7. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the half of data sets. 7 on the left side and 7 on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have now two middle number, which is 55 and 57. To find the median is simply the middle number. So those are the keywords that I want you to remember. For the mean is simply the average. For the median is the middle number. Since we have two middle number, we need to add 55 plus 57. Then we'll divide our answer by 2 to get the middle number between 55 and 57. So simply we have 55 plus 57, then enter divide 2. The answer is 56. So our median is simply 56. Very easy, right? Then after that, we have the mode. So for the mode is the most occur number or most frequent number. Okay, so we have the most occur or frequent number that show up on the given sets of data. So if you're going to look at the sets of data, we have 357 and 260, but we're looking for the most, okay, most occur. So Sometimes in mode we have to call it by modal. You will not see any mode if there's no repeat or most frequent or most occurring number on the sets of data. So you will not have a mode. But since in here we have 57, so 57 show 3 times on the sets of data. So the mode will become 57. So not at all times we have different answer for mean, median, and mode. Sometimes you will get the same result for the mean, median, and mode. Okay. And then next one, we have the range. So for the range is simply the highest score minus the lowest score. Since we organize them in order, so the highest score is 65 minus 45. Yeah, you will just subtract the highest number minus the lowest. So we can simply subtract them. 65 minus 45 is equal to 20. So the range or the dispersion or the spread out of the data from each other, probably it is a 20 because the range is 20. Okay, so that is how we answer the mean, median, mode, and the range given a set of data. And then please let me know if you have questions. Don't forget to comment down below. And if you are not yet subscribed on the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, so let's continue for number 2. I will give you a few minutes. You may pause the video for you to write them in order and then play it back when you're done writing them in proper order. Let's go back. Let us write them first in proper order from least to highest. So the least one in here, I can see, so we have 110 to 110. Okay, 110, I think it is 112, right? 1, 2. After 112, we have 113, 113, 113 twice. And then we have 115, 1, 2, and 3. 3, 115, 115. 115, then 11. After 115, we have 121, 121, 121, 121, 121. After 121, we have 123, 123. After 123, we have 124, 124. And last but not the least, I think we already wrote them. We have 129, 129. Let us check, let us count if we have the same number that we wrote in order on the original sets of data. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the second one that we wrote them in order, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have the same number. So we'll just write 13 in here. 13, since we have 13 number of items. Okay, I will just show it that I wrote 13 in here since we have 13 numbers in a given set of data. Okay, then after that, we're going to find the mean, simply the average. We add all of them. Okay, to find the mean, we add all of them and then divide it by 13. Our divisor will become 13 since the number of data, or since the number on the given sets of data is 13 scores. Okay, so let's start adding them. Let's start with 110 plus 110 plus 112 plus 2113, 113 plus 113. Plus we have 3115, 115 plus 115 plus 115 plus 121, 2121, 121 plus 121 plus 123 plus 124 plus 129. The answer is 1,521. So 1,521, you divide it into 13. Divide 13. So the answer is 117 for the mean. Okay, so we have 117 for the mean. Now to find the median, so we have 13, right? 13 raw scores. Now to divide 13, that is 6.5. So getting the middle number is the 7th number will be the middle number. Okay, we'll see. So I will just use a red pen so that you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the middle number is 115. So let us count if we have the same number on both sides of the middle number. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 on the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6 on the right. So that means it is balanced, and the middle number or the median is 115. So let us write 115 for our answer. And then for the mode, we have the most frequent, most occurring number. So you can see in here for the mode, a lot of number that repeated or most occur. However, repeated twice. But however, okay, the most occur that repeated thrice is 115. So the mode is 115 because it repeated thrice compared to 121 and 113 and 1110. They are just repeated twice. So 115 repeated thrice. So that means that is the most frequent, most occur, or what they call the mode. Okay, and then for the range, we just simply subtract the highest score, which is 129 minus the lowest score, which is 1110. So we have 129. Oopsie, I'll just use a yellow marker or yellow marker so that you will see the difference. 129 minus 1110. Let us use a calculator. 129 minus 1110. So the answer is 19. Okay, so that's it. There you. That's all for today about mean, median, mode, and range on the given sets of data, or what they call ungrouped data. Let me know and comment down below if you have questions. Enjoy while learning. See you again on next video. Bye bye.